and wood spacer safe for Audi A5. Oversized Audi A5 wood spacers provide a perfect flush stance and keep your car from tire rubbing issues. BONOSS half-centric wood spacers are designed with getting multi-stage half-century leads. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the BBs feed the corresponding half spacers. These Audi wood spacers are made of aluminum installed between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to provide more compact stance and increase the distance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality Audi wood spacers and install them correctly, the wood spacers are very safe. If you need 10mm to 20mm wood spacers, BONOSS lightweight plus wood spacers are perfect for you. They are hollowed for an extra lightweight plus advantage. The hollow hole is a proven design that is effectively reducing weight. The average weight of each BONOSS lightweight plus wood spacer is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. Adding such a small lightweight components most noticeable reduce fuel consumption. They also don't hurt the wheel bearings.
The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wood spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting.
With these wood spacers, there is nothing that physically stops the sizes of the modification. The Audi A5 wood spacers can help achieve perfect fitment. No matter which size wood spacer you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. If you have any questions about BONOSS wood spacers, please leave your comments. See you next time. Bye-bye.